Today I'll show you how to quickly make a cute little mummy cupcake for Halloween. So I've already created one of my eyes. I have some white fondant and some black fondant and two different piping tips. So I'll create the second eye. I'm just going to make the little circle and pop it out with my metal skewer. And then we'll create the next eye. And then we'll create the inner portion of the eye. And I'll just get that centered. Give it a little push. And I'll just take my hand and just give it a nice push to just lock it in there. And we'll get that on there. So there we've created our little eyes. And now for the bandaging. I've got some white buttercream in a Wilton disposable bag. And we do want to use white because the mummy's bandages are always white. I have a little flat tip on here as well that we're going to be using. And now the easy part is just to start applying your little bandages. So you're going to start at one end and you're just going to bring it over any which way you want. So just crisscross any which way. There are no rules. And what I'm going to do here is I want to lock in those eyes as well, just so that they don't fall off. So just keep applying your bandages. So there we have it, our cute little Halloween mummy cupcake. So there we have them. These are fun for kids. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Halloween!
And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.